welcome to Granny's Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this little cute easy flower in just 2 steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Make slip knot like this. Insert your hook in this loop and pull both strands tightly. We'll make chain 5. Slip stitch into first chain to form a ring. You can use magic circle also. Chain 1. Now we'll work in this center. So make 11 single crochet in this center like this. In the end, make slip stitch into first single crochet to complete this round. Cut the yarn and pull strand. Pull the center strand to make it more clear and good. Now you can see there are chains, 12 chain total. Hide this end. Step 2. Insert new color in any stitch. Any color you like for the petals. Now carefully make chain 12. Slip stitch into next stitch. Again make chain 12. Again slip stitch into next stitch. This is your second petal. Chain 12. Slip stitch into next stitch. And again make chain 12. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, you will have 12 patterns total. So this is 11. Now this is the 12th one. Now slip stitch into the first stitch in which we've made our first 12 chains or first petal. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now for hiding these ends, you can use yarn needle, hide all the ends. So this is final look of flower. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.